do more practice with NanoBanana on different type of ideas with different images. So I did something like this. I attached an image with a t-shirt, and the quotation is place your design here. For this image, I used a prompt like remove the gray background and hands from the image, as well as the title place your design here. Replace with my background, never decide my future. This is a quotation on the t-shirt. And also add a professional looking studio background with the t-shirt hanging on a stand. Focused lighting and camera. So I just used this prompt to attach image. So how it is generated this image? Let's see. See, with studio background, it is generated a hanging t-shirt to a stand. Even I don't like these images, I want to edit few things in the generated image. For that, I used a different prompt. Change this background to red color. I asked to change this background to red color. I thought it removes these lights and studio effects, but still it is not removed that studio equipments. And again, I asked to remove those studio like equipments except t-shirt and stand. So finally I got this image. This is nice, right? So you can with the multiple iterations you can change the image according to your requirement. Same one more thing I did with NanoBanana. I attached an image, this one, and I asked to change this background. Remove the white background from this image. Add a gaming room background with the product in the image kept on a gaming desk with neon lights in the background. Focused lighting and camera effects. This I targeted on the background. Add a gaming room background with the product in the image kept on a gaming desk with neon lights in the background. Focused lighting and camera effects. I asked to change the background with lighting and camera effects. See, this is the image generated by NanoBanana. Even I asked one more thing for like an ad. I attached this beverage image to NanoBanana and I asked a prompt, remove the white background from this image and highlight the design and features of the beverage, create variations with different angles of the product as well as a dessert background with the beverage in the image kept in sand. Focus lighting and shadow effects. So mainly I concentrated on angles of the product. Even by using NanoBanana, we can change different angles, camera angles. So just ask to do that. See, simply it is generated with multiple angles to the product. And even it is changed the background according to our prompt. Even you can ask different type of prompts and attach different type of images and do some practice with NanoBanana.